In a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6133, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that a believer does not get stung from the same hole twice. This means that a believer does not get fooled by something or someone twice. This includes committing sins. A true believer is not immune to committing sins. But when they happen to commit them, they do not repeat their mistake and instead learn and change for the better by sincerely repenting to Allah, the Exalted. Sincere repentance involves feeling remorse, seeking the forgiveness of Allah, the Exalted, and those who have been wronged, as long as this does not lead to further problems, promising not to commit the same or similar sin again, and making up for any rights which have been violated in respect to Allah, the Exalted, and people. A true believer does not blindly trust people, thereby increasing the chances of being wronged by them. But if they are fooled by anyone, they should overlook and pardon, as this leads to their forgiveness. Chapter 24 and Nur, verse 22.
And let them pardon and overlook. Would you not like that Allah should forgive you?
But they should also change their behavior by treading cautiously when dealing with this person in the future, thereby ensuring they do not get fooled again. There is a vast difference between forgiving others and blindly trusting them, especially after they have wronged someone. In addition, this narration applies to every aspect of one's life, as a true believer is the one who constantly learns from their experiences and knowledge in order to change for the better, so that they increase their obedience to Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This will ensure they use the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. Finally, the main narration eliminates the incorrect notion of forgiving and forgetting. As mentioned earlier, forgiving others is an important part of Islam, but forgetting only opens the door for people to wrong them again. Humans cannot erase their memories, and nor should they. Instead, one should forgive others, strive to fulfill the rights of others according to the teachings of Islam, but tread cautiously when dealing with people, especially those who have wronged them in the past, to ensure history does not repeat itself. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.